Hello friends. Now finally it exported and it ended up giving us this. Let me look for it here. What we were now given. So it exported and gave us this. I'm not going to be playing it because of copyright issues with the songs that were basically used. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to export the version that I'll be uploading on YouTube to give you that proof that it exported and that is the video that is basically being played. So they are going to have a playlist of 3 videos, okay, that you should check out what was exported and the directions to the exporting, okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to MUCIAN Lifestyle. Remember, MUCIAN is a musician, so you can check out my music on YouTube, on all streaming platforms all over the world. So, and the other thing is, we have a lot of information that we happen to share on this channel. So don't stop here. Keep on checking. To avoid keeping on checking, at least click that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so that if I happen to upload any video, you get notified and you catch up. Thank you for watching.